How to change someone's contact photo on Android. This tutorial shows you how to update a contact's photo directly on your device. First, open the Contacts app on your Android device and find the contact you want to update. After that, tap on the contact to open their profile. From there, tap on Edit at the bottom of the screen. Right here, tap on the contact's current photo or the placeholder icon at the top. At this point, you'll see a few options. Tap on Gallery to choose a photo from your device. Moving on, browse through your gallery and tap on the photo you want to use. Following this, crop and adjust the photo to fit the frame the way you want it, then go ahead and tap Done to confirm. From here, you'll see the new photo has been applied to the contact's profile. Once done, tap Save at the top right to lock in the changes. Finally, open your phone or Messages app and start a conversation with that contact to confirm the new photo is showing up correctly. And that's it. If this guide helped you change a contact photo on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you're always the first to know when we post. See you in the next one.